No script could predict these moments. No director could recreate them. Reality has a way of delivering scenes more dramatic than any movie ever could. You're watching amazing nature. Let's explore the unbelievable together. This looks like a scene from a Hollywood disaster movie, but it's completely real. A violent storm tore across Tennessee, with winds reaching an astonishing 240 km/h, leaving the filmer's car completely destroyed by the end of the journey.
Out of the shower. Woo! Wow! Wow, that was close! Here we go!
Few people ever witness an avalanche of this scale, and even fewer survive to film it. This is the massive Tian Shan avalanche in Kyrgyzstan, July 2022. Just one day of relentless rain was enough to transform Western Latvia into a disaster zone. Roads vanished, infrastructure crumbled, and powerful floodwaters reshaped the landscape in a matter of hours. The burned hillsides couldn't hold back the rain. Within minutes, powerful mud flows tore through the area, destroying roads and damaging countless homes.
That house is came, bro! Oh, look at dumpsters!
It looked as though the neighborhood had been completely erased. After the storm passed, almost every tree was gone.
God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at that, guys! Look at Dion's tree! Oh my God! Oh my God, buddy! Buddy, my leg is cool. My leg is cool. Get the leg.
adjustment.
Holy!
When the skies opened over Sao Paulo, the subway station stood no chance. Water surged down the stairways like a flash flood swallowing the entire concourse.
Hey,
Millions were rushing to evacuate after the 8-point magnitude earthquake triggered tsunami warnings across the Pacific. Meanwhile, these two men captured the waves as they arrived. What began as an exciting speedboat tour in Thailand quickly turned into a fight against the storm. At times, the passengers looked as if they were about to be thrown straight into the sea.
That's a good way to start a Tuesday morning.
oh my God. We got snacks.
He was only seconds away from being inside that tent.
He's still alive, but I'm just going to use some hand sanitizer and see if this will get him to undo what he's...
This spotted cobra somehow mistook its own tail for prey and actually tried to swallow itself.
They do not like the taste of hand sanitizer.
哎呦我，郑局，哎，哎呦我呀！哎呀，哎呦我，哎呦我，哈哈哈，哎呦我。
A massive landslide buried a 150-meter stretch of the highway as thousands of tons of rock crashed into the Beas River. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but the road remained closed for a long time.
There you go.
When people think of Japan, they often think of earthquakes, tsunamis, and natural disasters, and this footage shows exactly why.
Awesome.
Apa tuh? Utang gini. Hei, sama tuh. Buang. Awak dia awak.
What on earth is going on here? Aren't they even a little scared of that massive wave?
Hei, awak dia. Mana ditawag na ako? Tawag na ako.
a feeling this is one trip he'll never forget.
That is huge! That is absolutely huge! Yes! Yes!
You don't see a tornado like this every day. Here's what happened in Menasha, Wisconsin this week. This is the terrifying power of a tornado. Even a moving car can be swept away in the blink of an eye. These storm chasers stood their ground as 150 mph to 40 km/h winds slammed into them in Florida.
Jesus fucking Christ! God! God!
At this point, he should probably go buy a lottery ticket. His luck clearly isn't running out anytime soon. You'd never want to be driving through a mountain pass when the hillside suddenly gives way like this. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Wow, a small eruption from Japan's Sakurajima volcano lit up the sky. Just look at those glowing red bursts shooting into the air.
cold, bro. Oh!
If I want to be underneath any of these icicles, they come down and spear you. Look at this. Look at these icicles. They're crazy big. Lofty tunnel.
Those aren't just giant icicles, they're massive blocks of ice that could be deadly. Tourists had to carefully clear a safe path through the tunnel, and just moments later, it came crashing down.
Wow.
If you have trypophobia, you might want to look away. This huge cluster of clams surfacing is seriously unsettling. It's hard to believe this isn't the ocean. The earthquake made the canal rock back and forth like a boat in a storm.
Охренеть! Настя, мы вон дошли.
The tornado wasn't just ripping apart buildings, it was lighting up the sky as power lines snapped across northern Illinois.
Oh my gosh, somehow that house is still standing.
Thunderstorms over the mountains create one of nature's most breathtaking spectacles.
Well, I just gotta.
I got the first part of it. I think I did.
It's hard to tell where the parking lot ends and the flood begins. The moment the floodgates open, millions of liters of water burst out like a beast set free.
Oh my gosh, look!
The way it twists and sways makes it look almost alive. At this point, the floodwater looks cleaner than the tap water in Lehi.